Hey, it's Laurent, and I'm here with my newest build. I'm going to show you how to make a sweet chainsaw. Alright, first things you're going to need are probably some scissors, which are somewhere, a hot glue gun, an old bike chain, which is cut at the ends with a Dremel tool. Be careful while you do that. Cardboard in a round shape that's gray. Let's see, painted gray. A milk jug painted black. Obviously paint. And there might be some other things that I've forgotten. The X-Acto knife might be helpful too. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is cut the cardboard in the length where the bike chain can fit all around it. Ow. It's really hard working this bike chain because it's really greasy and it likes to move a lot. So you just want to arrange it and then cut. That's it. Okay, next thing you're going to want to do is plug in your hot glue gun. And while you're waiting for it to warm up, you're going to want to take this thingamabobber. And if you want to make it a chainsaw for a hand, you can cut out this, which is what I'm going to do.
It's okay, it's okay. What? Oh, okay.
So now that your hole's cut out, it should look something like that. Okay, and that's where your hand's going to go, if you're making the hand kind. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is hot glue your chain to your saw. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. Right, so here it is, the chainsaw with the chain on it. I'm wondering what it looks like when it's done. Okay, and now you just want to pretty much attach it to this thing. So I'm going to attach it, and we'll see what it turns out like. Okay, so pretty much the chainsaw so far. Kind of got like a handle and kind of good. To make it more stable, you could probably put like a cardboard cover on, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah, that's pretty much the chainsaw, so enjoy the testing.
But the hand made him go crazy, and he went on a killing spree.